Fix Dota 2 crashes on Windows. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Disable your antivirus temporarily. 4. Run the game, Steam, as an administrator. Like this. 5. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam. 6. Adjust your virtual memory. 7. Enter save for auto-config command into game launch options.